minus 52 plus 2 by 7. Most students write it as the mixed number minus 52, 2 by 7, which is not correct. Others try to multiply 52 and 7 and then add 2. This is correct but a very lengthy method. Let's look at the fastest way to do this. Break minus 52 as minus 51 minus 1. Take minus common. You're left with 1 minus 2 by 7. It is simpler to calculate this value. Now take negative common. 51 plus 5 by 7 and you have your answer minus 51 5 by 7. Now what if instead of 2 you were given 18? In this case, break minus 52 as minus 49 minus 3. Take negative common. So this will become minus 49 3 by 7.